Here's a question from one of my online public speaking students. TJ, quick question about speaking in general. Do you need to use Facebook ads to get gigs, public speaking gigs presumably, or are there other techniques to get people to pick you as a speaker? So I'm not averse to someone using Facebook to get public speaking gigs. Personally, I've never gotten a speaking gig that way. I will tell you this. I've been in the public speaking business and I've been training people for 33 years. I've been a member of the National Speakers Association on and off and have attended their meetings on and off for a quarter of a century. And I've seen a lot of people try to sell other people on ways of short-circuiting their path up to becoming a professional speaker. And for the most part, it doesn't work. If you want to be a professional speaker, you have to have actually accomplished something, and you have to have ideas that are truly interesting and useful to someone, or have some actual fame where you have a real following of people. Now, if you already have a great book, a great workshop, great seminars, and hundreds of thousands of followers on Facebook, and you're already getting good speaking gigs and good reviews, sure, putting out ads that are targeted to the people who already know you and like you and respect you, I think would probably generate another half a dozen good speaking gigs a year. It's certainly possible. But I've known a lot of meeting planners in my life. I've never heard anyone say, you know what, I was looking for a big keynote speaker for our convention and I had a budget of $25,000 and I was sitting back on Facebook and I saw an interesting ad for someone I'd never heard of before and I clicked it and I hired them. I've never heard anyone say that. If it works for you, fine. If you are a professional speaker and you've gotten a lot or even a little bit of business from Facebook ads, by all means, post your comments here, whether you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. My advice, before you even worry about advertising and marketing, you got to figure out what is it you're actually advertising. What is your core expertise? What is it that you are uniquely qualified to speak to people about, to give them true insights that are going to help them with their business and their careers and their lives? That's got to be the starting point. If you don't have that, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, none of that will matter. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you'd like to improve your own speaking skills, please go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com, and get some of our free books that I offer at no charge. And also take a look at our live in-person and online workshops.